Good morning, day 31 of 75 Hard. Every morning when I leave my house, I have an alley. My driveway goes into the alley, and then I have to drive down the alley to get out. And we live in an area that just has a ton, and I mean a ton of rabbits. So many rabbits that last year they took up shop in our backyard. My wife wouldn't let us mow the backyard for like several months because there was like a bunny colony back there. It was jungle. Anyway, as I drive down the alley, these bunnies like scatter, and you'll see them kind of run along the fence line, and then they'll go in somewhere. But inevitably, like half of them just jet out in front of my truck when I'm driving, and I have to be very cautious when I drive because I don't want to run them over. Because if my wife sees a dead bunny, she'll be like, "Did you do that?" And I don't want to have to lie and say I didn't if I did. So I drive real slow. Anyway, my point to all that is nothing really. I literally just wanted to share that with you because it's kind of annoying as I drive down the alley and these bunnies just, it's like the squirrels, you know, when you're driving down the street and a squirrel just runs out in front of your car for no reason when they could have just stayed where they were. These bunnies do the same exact thing, and it happens. It's been happening for years now, just all the time. Anyway, day 31, 75 Hard. Let's go kick some ass today. Y'all make good choices. I'll see you later. Folks, day 31 is done. Listen, I have seen and heard when we get to this point, I've seen in Facebook groups, I hear people say it like they're ready to quit. 30 days in, 31 days in, 35 days in, they're like, I'm just tired of it. My body's tired. I need a break. I need a rest. I'm tired of peeing. I don't want to do this anymore. So if that's you, if you're thinking that, you can quit tomorrow. Finish today. Just quit tomorrow. And then when you wake up tomorrow, just repeat that to yourself. I'll quit tomorrow. Let me get through today and I'll quit tomorrow. And just do that every day until you don't feel like quitting anymore. Because tomorrow never comes. There's only today. But you can always quit tomorrow. Y'all have a great night. Make good choices. I'll see you tomorrow.